We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT for fantasy football. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to chatopenai.com, sign in to your account, or create one if you don't have it yet. Once you're logged in, you'll see the chat interface where you can start interacting with ChatGPT. To use it for fantasy football, you can begin by entering specific queries about player statistics, match predictions, or even trade suggestions. Type in something like, who should I start this week in fantasy football, player A or player B? ChatGPT will provide insights based on recent performances and statistical analysis. You can also ask for recommendations on waiver wire pickups or injury updates by typing who are the best players to add from the waiver wire this week. It's like having your personal fantasy football analyst. If you're unsure about how to structure your team, ask ChatGPT for help with your lineup by saying, help me set my lineup for this week. ChatGPT will consider factors like matchups and player form. And remember, you can get strategy advice such as what's the best draft strategy for a PPR league. This AI tool can analyze tons of data quickly, giving you an edge in your league. Make sure to check back regularly for updates as player conditions change frequently. Using ChatGPT can make managing your fantasy football team easier and more informed, helping you make better decisions and hopefully win your league. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.